Alright you guys, so if you're tuning into this video right now, you obviously might have saw my very first video, or you just saw my thumbnail, just thought it was cute. So I just want to say my name is Lynn. I want to thank you for joining in. If this is your first time or if it's your second time, just say hey y'all, how you doing? I'm joking. I just want to say, thank you for coming back. So if you like this look, just continue and watch. Alright you guys, so my hair is damp. I washed it at least about 20 minutes ago. Had to do my eyebrows a little because I was not about to get on camera without some eyebrows on. A little something and some chapstick. So right now I have to detangle my hair. So hopefully around this point I learn how to fast forward this part. So I'm just be quiet.
Section my hair into 4 different parts, which I think I forgot to bring another switch, so just one moment.
Okay, and I'm back. So I didn't feel like going upstairs. Sorry, I had 2 ponytails. I have them on deck, so I'm gonna just section my hair to 2 different parts.
You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul. Detangling your hair, I feel like most people would choose to do a brush, a diamond brush, a wide tooth comb. I feel like you could do whatever you prefer. Sometimes I do a wide tooth comb, sometimes you do a regular paddle brush, but I might invest in one of those diamond brushes one day. You bring me comfort to my soul. So we just got 1/4 of my hair done. I think the furthest always easy for me to do. So let me tell y'all something. I had tried to cut my ends, and trust me, I feel like it is unprofessional. Go to professional. I literally Alright, it's somewhere up there. I literally cut my hair before I got my sewing done. It's somewhere, this area. I literally cut because I thought there was I don't know what I was doing. I don't know, but I cut it. Literally cut my hair, and I did not realize it. Oh yeah, so look, I was trying to watch somebody else's tutorial, and I really can't remember who it was, and they was pushing their baby hairs to the front, and it was cutting baby hairs. I'm like, okay, let me try cutting some baby hairs. Worst idea, don't do it. Don't do it if it's your first time. So I was normally whenever I cut my hair, I just trim my ends. I always do it every 3 months, just to be on the safe side, because I don't want to wait until every 6 months or do once a year, and it builds up, and then split ends start from the bottom and work itself up. And so I'm hurry up and just get it right then and there. Then it'll be wait till the last minute, you getting more cut off,
Okay, you guys, I completed the whole bag. I am done. It took me a faster time. It took me literally no time to do this side off camera. So I was thinking of doing, I don't want to put 2 braids to the front right here. I don't want to do some Bantu knots, but I don't know how many braids I want. If I want to do I don't know, we better just start and we're gonna see how this goes.
I need to really focus on getting on that straight line right there. Okay, so You can go by the nose, whatever, whatever. I've been doing my hair for a long time, so I gotta get this straight. You can go by like using your forehead. Obviously not. Talk too soon.
Alright, you guys, so it is literally 1 in the morning, so I'm like really tired. I could have used a rat tail comb, but I didn't really think about it then. I was just trying to give you guys a video, and I didn't really think it was going to take me this long to just part my hair. I know throughout the whole time me braiding my hair, it took me a while just to part it. Okay, you guys, so now I'm about to put in my products. I'm using the Creme of Nature coconut milk line. I'm doing the Hydrating curling cream with the Moisture Curl hair milk. And then I'm also using the Lotta Body coconut and shea oil wrap me foaming mousse. So y'all, I was just so confident in what I was doing that I literally dropped my brush like twice.
So I'm gonna add some gel to the front. So this gel is Eco Styler Black Castor Oil and Flaxseed. So I got a little one because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it or not, because some of their Eco Styler just does not work for me. So the best one I feel is will be the coconut oil one. That's the only one I really tried. I didn't try the second one that came out with that one. Kind of don't remember which one it was, but I'm going back to the store to rank up on some of my hair products soon, so that will be first on my list. So, but this one is pretty good. I might actually invest in a bigger bottle. But it supposed to promote hair growth, so we're gonna see how that works. I hope I know how to do both. I've always told her.
Alright, you guys, so I was attempting to try to do my first half on camera, which I didn't have no idea of what I wanted to do, so I really just did this part for nothing. Alright, you guys, so I had to figure out what I wanted to do before I put it on camera. So I did 2 braids and a bantu knot to the back and 1 braid to the front with just a curl at the front. So I'm gonna show you.
It's literally 1 a.m. in the morning. Literally. And I started my hair around 11.
Alright, you guys, so I messed up the volume on this clip, so I have no idea what I was saying. I was just like looking at it and my mouth was just moving like a mile a minute. Alright, so you guys, I just want to put this in this video somewhere. That this light that's right here, this light on my face, spark. Because the light's off. I'm just using the light that I bought from Amazon. Well, ring light. Back to the video it is.
Alright, you guys, so I just really hope that I don't miss out. But this has the extra one on look. But I hope I don't miss some of them. Because I'm really not good at trying to pay attention to the camera and trying to take these twists out. When you feel like your hands are a little dry, all you gotta do is just add some more oil. Baby, come on, you really don't mess me up. Add some oil. I think I said oil. So this is one that's already twisted. I personally just grab it. You know you're supposed to work from your roots to your tip.
Alright, you guys, that is incorrect. I meant to say from your tip to roots. So just flip it and we're all good.
Yeah, no. So you all be able to see how defined my twist side is at the back before I actually flip it and take a wet man and pull apart. So let's slowly. Alright. And I'm about to turn it back around. I was gonna do a 360, but I'm not about to chance my camera dropping, so I'm not about to do that. I ain't gonna get dizzy, boy. Because my goal for this year is just to have healthy hair. I really don't care about the length. I just want the thickness and healthy hair. So I have to find my pick, which I feel like I have.
So now I'm about to just pick through just to flip it up. I don't know how much I really want to go into, because I don't want to get too frizzy because it's only day one. And if you know, like I know, as naturals, your hair would get bigger throughout the day and the week. I'm going to try to keep this hairstyle for at least like 3 or 4 days, because I'm doing a perm rise set on my hair, and I'm going to try to add that clip in here just to show you how my curls look whenever I do it. So I'm trying to redo that for Christmas, for Mother's Day. So this is the end result of my hair. So if you like this hair look, I would like for you to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more hair tutorials, because there will be more. And if you like this look, if you haven't watched my very first video, I will have the link below, so please get into it, because it's really cute. Okay. So I just want to thank you all. Again, please like, subscribe, and comment. You know, share my video, give it to a friend, a mama, your cousin. But I know, baby, I know. Okay, so you guys, I feel like this pretty is a good hairstyle for, you know, women, grown women, you know, and it's really a pretty style for little kids. I'm going to try to see if my little niece will like me to try this in her hair. But I just want y'all to like and subscribe, and thank y'all for tuning in.